So let me show you step by step how to clear some space in your Google Drive. So first off, after you open up your Google Drive like this one, so you go to this My Drive. Under My Drive here, you'll be able to see all your files inside the Google Drive. So now you go to the storage. After you go to storage, so from this option now it will show you all your files and your storage, as you can see now. So the file has started from the big one to the lowest one. So now you click on this where it says clear space. After you click on this clear space, so if you scroll to down, so here it says clear up suggested item. So if you click on this one here, it says files in trash view. So after you review the file in trash, so these are some trash inside my file. So I'll just go ahead and click on this delete all. So delete all, so permanently delete. So this will give you some space on your Google Drive. So here it says it will take a moment to update. So after you finish this one, now you click on this back. So from there, if you scroll to down, so now here it says large drive files. So you click on this view. So if you have some large files inside your Google Drive, so here it will show you all the files. So now if you want to delete them, you can just go ahead and delete them if you don't want them. So let's say I don't want this one and this one. After you select them, then you click on this delete button. So delete, and then go to delete again. So this will give you some space on your Google Drive. So after you finish this one, so now you go to this back arrow. After you go to the back arrow, so from there you'll be seeing like how the storage has been updated in this option now. And that's it guys on how to clear space in Google Drive. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.